Welcome, grammar students. Welcome to Lesson 1, the XWords. In Lesson 1, we will answer 2 questions. What are the XWords, and why are they so important? By the end of Lesson 1, you will be able to identify and list the 20 XWords, and you will know the 5 uses or jobs that XWords have. Where are we in our study of XWord grammar? At the very beginning. So let's start with the big picture. English is a word order language. A word's meaning and job depend on where it is in the sentence. In Joe is painting, the word painting is a verb. In this painting is beautiful, painting is a noun. In many languages, the order of the words is not so important, but in English it is. How do XWords fit into this order? Do you remember how we can compare parts of the English sentence to the cars of a train? The cars in our train are in a strict order. First, we have an engine. The engine is our subject. The coal car is like our verb. The verb is the fuel that runs the sentence. The order of the words inside each car is also important. Inside the coal car, you will find 3 things: XWords, middle words, and main verbs. They work together to make up all of the verbs in English. In this lesson, we are introducing the XWords. You will soon see that they are small but powerful. What makes XWords so powerful? They have 5 important jobs in English. Let's look at them. XWords are used to ask questions. They are used to make negative statements. They are used to find the subject of a sentence. They are used to change time. And they can be used to add meaning. Can you remember the 5 uses? Here they are again. You know why XWords are so important. Now we need to learn them. We will learn them in groups to make them easier to memorize. We will start with have, has, had. We call this the have group. Next come do, does, and did. We call this the do group. Our next group has 5 members: am, is, are, was, and were. They are all forms of the verb be, so we call this the be group. To remember the next 6 XWords, we put them in pairs: can, could, shall, should, will, would. The words in each pair start with the same letter. We call this the pairs group. Finally, we have the am group: must, might, and may. That's it. You can remember the XWords by singing them to the tune of Jingle Bells. Try it with me.
Have, has, had, do, does, did, am, is, are, was, were. Can, could, shall, should, will, would. Also must, might, may.
To review, in Lesson 1, we have learned the 20 XWords and the 5 ways that they are used. You're asking yourself, what should I do next? Now read Lesson 1, do the exercises, and take the quiz. And get in the habit of looking for XWords in your reading.